Whale song and human speech share the same pattern. The discovery questions the uniqueness of human language. Although it seems unlikely, given the huge differences between the two species, human language and whale song follow similar patterns. Both forms of communication are not only culturally transmitted from generation to generation, but also present recurring structures, which probably facilitate the learning process. This is the conclusion of a study published in the journal Science, cited by ANSA and led by researchers from the Hebrew University of Jerusalem. For the first time, specialists have analyzed the recorded sounds of these cetaceans using a method inspired by the way children identify words in speech. These results question long-held beliefs about the uniqueness of human language. We thus discover profound commonalities between evolutionarily distant species. This suggests that we can understand the evolution of language not only by looking at primates, our closest relatives, but also by studying examples of convergent evolution found in other parts of nature, says Simon Kirby, a researcher at the University of Edinburgh and one of the authors of the study coordinated by Inbal Arnon. For this study, the researchers analyzed 8 years of recordings of humpback whale songs from the New Caledonia region in the Southwest Pacific. The key finding: the systematic recurrence of sound structures, a phenomenon observed in all known human languages, but which until now had not been identified in any other species. Although these findings suggest structural complexity in whale communication, experts emphasize that, unlike human language, whale songs do not have semantic meaning. Imbal Arnon says that although these songs fulfill a communicative function, probably related to sexual selection, there is no evidence that their parts have independent meaning. To analyze these vocalizations, the researchers applied methods similar to those used in the study of language learning in children. Simon Kirby also explains that babies use statistical learning to segment words in a continuous stream of speech, and this approach has also been applied to the study of whale songs, revealing similar patterns. These findings suggest that while whale songs do not constitute a language in the human sense of the word, they represent a complex communication system with structures that reflect fundamental linguistic principles.